My name's Tim Vande Werken. Our firm is Even House and Company. We're located in Elmhurst, Illinois. We have about 20 staff, 3 administrative staff, and the rest on the accounting side. Been in business for 52 years, and I've been a Thomson Reuters customer for a long time. So at Even House and Company, we use the Checkpoint products for our research primarily. And one of the nice features is it has some integration with the program. So if you're working on a particular issue in tax, you can get out there and find the research on it. But I think for us, one of the main benefits of using the Checkpoint products is that it gives us a kind of a common channel for our younger staff to go to for research. So instead of using Google or instead of using something else, we can point them in this direction. We can kind of let them get in there and get their feet wet and learn what research looks like, which is a little bit different nowadays probably than it was 5 or 10 years ago. And for us, what we like about Checkpoint is the content is clean, it's readable, it has the links to reference material or to some of the underlying code or underlying FASB, and it just, like I say, I think it's probably a central platform for us to kind of go to start the research, to search for it, to sort of do the learning, do the reading, and find, ultimately the topic that we're trying to figure out what's going on. The new staff, when you walk around and look at what they're doing from a research perspective, the problem with most staff is they're starting with Google instead of going to Checkpoint. And for us, for us, I think we need to be diligent in terms of saying, okay, we need to actually look at authoritative information, because what's on the World Wide Web isn't necessarily authoritative when it comes to especially tax research and maybe other research. But to be able to formalize that process and try to teach that to staff when they come in is something that we need to understand. We probably need to do a little bit better.